Welcome to Introduction to GCP Cloud Storage. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll navigate through the intricate details, demystify access control, and optimize efficiency within Google Cloud Platform's cloud storage. As we embark on this journey, let's understand the foundation. GCP Cloud Storage is not just a storage service, it's a dynamic solution capable of handling diverse data types, from small files to massive datasets. The interface is user-friendly, providing a centralized hub for managing your storage resources. Navigating the confusion in bucket creation. Creating buckets might seem straightforward, but optimal configuration is key. In this segment, we'll dive deep into the GCP console, guiding you through the nuances of bucket creation. From specifying storage classes to setting up versioning, we'll demystify the confusion surrounding bucket creation. Efficient management of objects in cloud storage. Efficiently managing objects is essential for a seamless workflow. Join us as we explore the lifecycle management of objects. Learn how to efficiently upload, download, and organize your data, ensuring optimal performance and cost-effectiveness. Organizing and structuring data within cloud storage. The way you structure your data within cloud storage impacts accessibility and management. In this segment, we'll provide visual insights into effective data organization strategies, from leveraging folders to naming conventions, discover techniques to streamline your data structure. Demystifying access control in GCP Cloud Storage. Access control is a crucial aspect of GCP Cloud Storage. In this section, we'll demystify the intricacies of access control. Visual aids will illustrate how to configure permissions effectively, including granting specific roles to users, groups, and even other Google Cloud services. Challenges in configuring permissions for buckets. Configuring permissions can be challenging, leading to potential security risks. Through real-world scenarios, we'll highlight common challenges users face when configuring permissions for buckets. Join us as we troubleshoot and provide solutions to ensure a secure environment for your data. Best practices for access management in cloud storage. Access management goes beyond basic configurations. In this segment, we'll delve into best practices for access management. Visual infographics will guide you through implementing role-based access control, enabling audit logging, and ensuring a robust security posture for your cloud storage. Bucket and object organization. Streamlining organization enhances efficiency. We'll showcase advanced techniques for bucket and object organization, including metadata usage and versioning. Watch as we demonstrate how a well-organized storage environment simplifies data retrieval and management. Overcoming challenges in cloud storage configuration. Even with the best practices, challenges can arise. In this segment, we'll address common configuration challenges users encounter in cloud storage. Visual aids will guide you through troubleshooting and implementing solutions to ensure a smooth and error-free experience. Optimizing efficiency, a guide to GCP Cloud Storage. As we conclude our in-depth exploration, it's time to elevate your efficiency with advanced features. We'll provide a visual guide to optimizing efficiency, including utilizing storage classes, configuring access logs, and leveraging features like transfer service. Unlock the full potential of GCP Cloud Storage for your unique requirements. As we wrap up, remember that effective management, access control, and optimization are integral to harnessing the full potential of GCP Cloud Storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy cloud computing!